All right, everybody, we are live at GreenBuild in Mass Timber Plus. They're co-located today, so we're going to give you a little bit of a behind-the-scene walkthrough. I just got back from London, now in Philadelphia, heading to Tampa tomorrow for Steel Horizons, and then hopefully we're going to have a little bit of a break before we head back overseas to Laos and South Korea. So with that said, let me just give our sponsors a quick shout out, and then I'm going to walk you around, show you how it's going here. Stay tuned.
Forward Solutions Group is successfully driving companies to succeed where others have failed. Are you looking to start a factory, optimize your existing factory, streamline your production, or take your team to the next level? Whatever your needs are, Forward has a solution for you. Reach out to Ben at forwardsolutionsgroup.com. HOWICK LTD has a long history of innovation in cold form steel manufacturing and producing innovative precision roll forming technology for customers throughout the United States and the world. Check out their machine buyer's guide for off-site modular construction or fast build construction with light steel for framing. Go to their website, HOWICKLTD.com. Brought to you by Graitec, one of the largest Autodesk partners globally and software developer of the Powerpack, Advanced Design, Advanced Steel, and the StrucSoft product line. The complete solution to automate wood and light gauge steel framing, design, and documentation all the way out to CNC output. Model, design, and manufacture with StrucSoft. Learn more at StrucSoftSolutions.com.
All right, again, thank you to all of our sponsors. They can't make this happen without them. So we're kind of doing a flyby in the showroom here. So we're everything that we're seeing. I apologize now if the internet's a little fuzzy. I don't have good access in here. Jennifer's over there at the GreenBuild booth. I'm just waiting on her to come back. But hey, we've had a whirlwind tour. So we've been obviously all over the country and the world as of late. And we're going to continue to do that, bringing you all kinds of innovation and construction. I was just at British Offsite as well over in London. So once Jennifer gets over here, we're going to go for a walk down and showcase where we need to go. I'll let her catch up to me. So welcome to the show. As you can see, there is a ton of people here. All kinds of educational sessions going as well. People wondering why they're on camera and film. So we got Graitec is here. There's a whole lot of conversation, obviously, around sustainability, around green building. We got Mercer, Mass Timber. Maybe we'll run into Todd Beirut. They're coming up over here. But, you know, what's fun about this conference is there's always something new to learn. Kind of like the latest and greatest in the technologies that are coming out because of sustainability, carbon credits, and the likes. Look at Mercer's booth here. Spreading that around. And we actually, by sloping the roof deck itself, I don't know if Todd's here. If he is, we'll say hello to Todd. One of my favorite companies here is Graitec. If you haven't seen them, they're doing connectors for MEP systems, whether it's full sewer and water lines or even HVAC and others. Here's volumetric building companies. I see Sarah and Logan up here. Let's see what they have going on. Sarah, say hello. How you doing? Good, good. I'll come back and see you guys in a minute. So, yeah, just was on a panel with Sarah this morning, and I will tell you what Volumetric Building Companies is doing is really state of the art. It's going to the next level with all their different factories, how they're designing, and not only how they're designing, but how they are productizing everything that they have going on. So and they're doing both wood and they're doing steel framing. So I'll show you what's going on. You can see Jennifer here. Say hi, Jennifer. So I'll walk you through, trying to go slow because I'm not using a gimbal so the people can see. Mid-Atlantic timber frames. Oh, we got Binderholz's here. Here's Binderholz's display.
Hey, Dave.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Yeah,
Good, good.
I saw you.
Say hi. I'm streaming a little bit to everybody out there.
We got the Timber Lab in the house.
Yeah, we got Timber Lab in the house. I know if you're not here, you're missing out. I'll catch up with you. Here we go, Jason Boss, Blueprint Robotics. Coolest hat in the business. Say hi, Jason. How's it going, Wayne? Good, good. Yeah, we're a little bit live. I'm not going to interrupt you too much. Great presentation this morning. I was on a panel with him. Should I steal his hat? I should. I don't have a hat that cool. Hey, man, thanks, Jason. All right, walking through, we got Simpson on our left side. We got StrucSoft on our right side here. So hopefully everybody can kind of see that. Wait, you're live. I know. We got Rotho Blast as well, and one of my favorite companies. I love the products that they do, Rotho Blast. They have some of the most amazing screws, nuts, bolts, all the tie downs. So here where it's funny, we're at a wood-based conference, and then we're going to be heading down to a steel conference. Here's Kisco. They're mass timber modular solutions. I definitely want to. We haven't had them on the show, but we should. How you doing?
Super.
How are you? Devin Harding, good to see you. I'm going to get a mic. I'm going to talk to you for a quick sec. I think I have one. Jen will hold that for a moment. Here you go. Just hold that up to tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing here. What's the company? And obviously you're doing massive volumetric.
Yeah, so we're Glistener Mass Timber. We're an 85-year-old company managing the forest, harvesting the lumber, and then creating mass timber. And we're actually creating a 100,000 square foot facility right now to produce our mass timber modules and as well as prefabricated wall assemblies so that we can compare mass timber with light frame walls to create building solutions.
So with that, I'm going to pass it back to Greg.
Where are you building this factory?
It's in Castlenar. That's in Canada, about 2 hours north of Spokane.
All right. And are you going to serve the States as well as Canada? Is that the idea?
Yeah, so we've got a project right now going down to Montana, and we'll service that. We'll continue to service all the States.
How big's the manufacturing facility you're building?
100,000 square feet.
100,000 square feet. Now, will you guys also produce the mass timber, or were you is it CLT?
Yeah, it's CLT, so we make the CLT ourselves.
Got it. So you're going to produce it, build it, and ship it out, all volumetric.
Yeah, the really nice thing is that you've got all your design incorporated into one location, and so your structural system's been completely designed together, modeled together, and make sure that it's all going to come together.
Right. We should have you guys on the show.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. How's this show been for you here so far?
That's been pretty good. It's good to get out to Pennsylvania, a little further out east than we typically operate, but it's good to see a lot of the connections that we have throughout the US.
And what's your role at the company?
I'm sales manager.
You're the sales manager for everywhere United States?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, listen, what was up? Devin, right?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Devin. Thanks for taking a few moments. We're live, so we're going to do a little wandering around. I'm going to come back. I'd love to have you guys on the show.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, Devin.
Dave.
All right. All right. Jen, why don't we walk down this way just to give everybody some more inside look at the different companies here. But there's a ton of offsite. There's a ton of mass timber going on here. There's a lot of talk about mass timber and modular construction coming together, similar to what Green Canopy Node and Mercer Mass Timber are doing. I have to say, I mean, it's a really great show. In fact, Mass Timber Plus is going to be in Boston next year. Who are you waving to? Oh, Eli's over there? Yeah. Doing meetings. Eli Gold. We had Eli on the show several times over. But again, we're seeing a lot of new energy technologies. We showed this last year when we were here. This is Hempcrete. And they're doing a carbon credit tool as well. And Art Massive. Yeah, Genevieve, how you doing? Say hi. You're live right now.
Yes. Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
It's good to see you.
Yeah.
We're just walking through, giving everybody kind of a behind-the-scenes look.
Okay.
So, how's business been going for you? Yeah, come over here. Oh, look at that hangar. That's the hangar you built.
Yes.
I love it. Let's show that. That's amazing. All right, so we're here. Just give everybody a quick update who you are and what you do.
We're a mass timber supplier doing all kinds of buildings, commercial, but always custom, residential also. And we kind of like doing wood hangers actually. We did 2 last year.
Yeah.
And it's a really good.
Hold that up, yeah, so people can hear you.
So we're working right now on a project in New York State.
Okay.
In the Hudson Valley.
Yeah.
For the Shakespeare Festival.
Right.
The theater.
Oh,
so
really?
A big canopy. It's all curvy. It's
Yeah.
Some people call it the crab shell.
Sure.
Or a turtleback. So always into curvy stuff.
Right. You guys are always doing state-of-the-art builds. I mean, beautiful things. I mean, it's awesome. This hangar is beautiful. I'd like to put my helicopter plane in it. I don't have a helicopter or a plane, but if I had one, I'd put it in there.
I would build a hangar for you.
Yeah, thank you. Well, we're going to keep moseying on here. I'm glad we ran into you.
Yeah.
We're taking off kind of right after, so we got to go to Florida for another convention, but it's awesome catching up.
Thank you.
Make sure you say hello every once in a while. I haven't seen you in a while. Since last year.
Oh.
Thanks, Jenny. All right. So we're going to walk this down one more row here, but as you can see, there's familiar faces, there's new faces. You always find the most innovative products in the 10x10 booths, and that is truth. I mean, there's everything from lighting here to sustainable products to mechanical fasteners, technology, AI, big focus on indoor air quality. Our friends at Domatic are here, so if you want a low voltage system, they're the folks to do it. Maybe we'll walk down there and end right over in that direction. But this is a fairly large convention. I think there's upwards of 30,000 people at this show. Is that about right, Jen? She's like, I don't know. All right, well, you beat me up on that one. Beat me up. I believe that's where it's at, 20 to 30,000. It could be a lot less. It sure feels like that's what it is. Yeah, I wish I had a way. I don't even know if we can do comments and questions on this at all, if there's something somebody wanted to see. But I'm going from the cold weather to the warm weather. Let's just walk around this outside here. So yeah, we're live, Mass Timber Plus, with great people, Art Schmoen, Forest Economic Advisors. This is a show that they've been putting on for years, and it's become a really, really big learning, educational, and a place to see new products and new things happening. So we're just going to walk through, and I'm going to try and go slow and not do too much moving. And if I'm making you seasick on my journey, I apologize. We got Sphera, ton on sustainability and different products. I know Metalwood's here too, right, Jen? Inventwood's here. Yeah, let's cut over this way. One of my favorite products is Domatic. Low voltage wiring. It's controlling everything from the wiring, the switches, your blinds. It's controlling your mini splits, all low voltage. Somebody that's doing that is Plant Prefab, and they're working with Cloud out of California, and Plant Prefab is working with Cloud, and they're using the new Domatic system, which I think is commendable. It's where it's going. How do you convert it, from our traditional power source to low voltage? Speaking of power, there's Ames Power. So we're going to come around here, around the Fellows booth. I think my friends at Domatic are here. If you're not familiar with Domatic, you should be. They are doing pretty incredible stuff. I think they're down this way, right, John? So, kind of going through the back door angle here to get there. Don't beat me up if this is shaking all over the place. Trying to keep it stable. How's it looking on there? Is it shaking all over the place? No. No? Oh yeah, here's Domatic. Good, good, good. Let's show Domatic what they have going. Show what Domatic has going on. Right? There's Domatic. So this is their entire system here. He's busy working with people. But you can see this is the entire low voltage system. I'm not going to interrupt them, but the things that they're doing, I mean, these are the control panels that they have. It's an entire low voltage system. As you can see on there, you got plant prefab and reframe and many others on that dashboard there that are now using this low voltage system in their modular builds. One of my favorite. All right, so I'm going to wrap up here at Victaulic. I decided to go live and have a little bit of fun.
Right.
So, all right, tell us a little bit about Victaulic and who you are and what you do. Hold that right up there. And I didn't plan this, so he's just getting thrown in.
Hi, Brad Smalling with Victaulic Company. We're a manufacturer of coupling valves and fittings for the mechanical, plumbing, and fire protection systems and projects. So we have a product that's manufactured by recycled material, and it is fully recycled at the end of life, and it's infinitely reconfigurable. So as the piping system is being built, we can take it apart, change things around, and then once the system is decommissioned, we can actually take this and recycle it, either giving it back to us or using it for other purposes. So we like to think that this is a sustainable way of building that is the way of the future as far as building buildings in a quick and efficient manner.
Where did the name Victaulic come from?
Victory through hydraulics. So it was used in warfare back in the WW2 for applying fuel and water to Allied forces. And it was so beneficial to the war effort that they called it the Victory Joint. Victory through hydraulics.
Victory through hydraulics. So I think, like you said, the most impressive thing about this is it is interchangeable and it can be reused over and over. You can put it together, you can take it apart, right. And all these units are recyclable, right? Pieces.
That's right.
Now we're only showing a small section of what you have here, but the reality of it is, I mean, you do mega products, you get projects, you're working on Yom. I mean, you get into the biggest fittings, so it's just not for buildings. You're actually doing site work as well.
100%, yeah. So we have different divisions from the infrastructure side. So we're doing differential settlement joints for below grade all the way through once you get to a building and you're going vertical. From sizes 72 inches our core product line down to 2 inch. But we have had projects where we've made even larger products than that for particular applications.
Brad, appreciate you, man. Thanks for taking a few moments.
Yeah.
Did awesome.
Enjoy.
He's good. All right, listen, everybody, we're going to wrap this up right here. So say goodbye, Jennifer. I want to thank everybody out there that is watching this, and also to all of our sponsors that are out there. HSB CAD's here as well. And then as you can see on the ticker below, big shout out to everybody that supports us and allows us to travel and showcase this innovation to everybody. What is it, Jen's telling me? Yeah, for sure. Oh, she said, don't forget Cobalt Creed. Absolutely. So everybody out there. So Michael Marzi's here all the way from Europe, from HSB CAD. It's always a pleasure seeing him. Eli Gold and so many others. All right, we're heading to Tampa, Florida. So stay tuned. Steel Horizons. We're going to bring you all the information and some interviews for there. So just, hey, listen, if you want to see something, send us a message. We'll send out to you whatever we can find. I'm looking for my outro here, and we're going to wrap this up. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.
What an amazing show. Thank you to all of our sponsors for helping us to continue to bring all of these innovative conversations to all of you out there. Please visit them, see what they have to offer you. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell. It would mean the world to us. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.